everyone, happy Friday. Christine here from Unique Sapphire. So glad that you're here and to see your smiling faces. So I have to first off saying thank you for everyone who wished me well. I'm doing wonderful, other than the lead boot that I have to walk around with. I'm perfectly a-okay with that I don't need surgery or anything major. That was a blessing. So I did also have another confession. I had a lot of footage I shot of me putting my pillow together. If you've looked on Instagram and Facebook, you see the pillow is outside. I took shots of it. And all that footage went on the cutting room floor. I just could not get the angles right, couldn't get to show you, but I just wanted to explain it's just like I was doing with the weaving. I did get it with the sewing machine. I did put a zipper in it. And I, just like you would anything else, and I have it tacked down so that none of my knit or crochet will get caught in the zipper. And that way here I can pull this off and hand wash it. And all I did was a zigzag stitch on the seams here, inside, turn it right side out, and boom, done. And that's very pleasing to me that it is accomplished and done. Yes, I did want to shoot video of me sewing it together. It's not that hard. You have to take your time and pin well when you're sewing your knitting or crochet projects together. Yes, I could have hand sewn this, but I didn't. And this would make an awesome little project if you're trying to start and learn a new stitch like I was in the Tunisian Crochet, and do a sampler of sorts or granny squares of sorts and learn different ones. Put it together in a pillow instead of a major project that sits in your project bag, as I have a sweater that's still in my project bag that I got to get to. And I got to get to weaving. But as you can tell, it's fall cleanup around here. We did have a few trees that were taken down over the weekend, and the fire was burning, and I loved the campfire last night, well, the last few nights. And funny story, we even had the fire department called on us because, but no, all is good. It was under control. It was just a passerby that thought otherwise. But that was the highlight of my week. So the cleanup continues. I will have to get another project on my hooks. I think I found one, and I'm gonna look through my stash here to see if I have the yarn for it. If not, have to find the yarn or the perfect yarn. Is there a perfect yarn? I wonder. Out there for it. And I'll share it with you if I know I'm probably gonna do this, but I'll share it with you at that time and see if you guys want to crochet along with me. All right. So everyone have a great, happy, healthy, productive, creative weekend, as I'm praying that I do as well. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for when I post a new video. Peace.